How to pay with Shein gift card. To pay with a gift card on the Shein app, simply follow these steps. Shein allows you to use gift card to pay for your purchases, and it is a convenient option for saving on your orders. Firstly, open the Shein app, then browse or select the items you want to purchase and add them to your shopping cart. Or you can simply tap on the cart option available at the bottom and go to your cart section. Now here, tap on the items you want to check out with. Then once you are ready to complete your purchase, then tap proceed to check out. Now fill out your shipping details or confirm them if they are already saved. Now scroll down and find the option for gift cards. Then simply tap on gift card option and enter the gift card code. Ensure the amount on the gift card covers part or all of your order. After entering the code, tap apply to apply the gift card amount to your total. If the gift card does not cover the entire amount, you will need to pay the remaining balance using another payment method. Once the gift card is applied and remaining balance is covered, simply tap place order to complete the payment and order your items. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.